State. Today, we, the G5 governors, are going to talk about our president, Governor Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who is our leader today. We'll talk about Wike, and we're going to talk about Rivers State. Three things, but very brief. We're not going to take your time. Governor Wike have already made a declaration that in 2027, we are supporting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We have nowhere to go because that is what Nigerians believe. Even the past administration that took Nigeria from top to bottom, we allowed them to work for 8 years. So why can't a seasoned administrator, a seasoned politician, in the person of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to rule us for 8 years? And I believe by the 8 years, we shall get out of this wood. The security challenges we have will be out of it. The economic problems we have will be out of it.
Thank you so much. I'm your brother, Regret. PDP G5, led by Wike, have endorsed Tinubu for 2027. Tinubu is just about 7 months in office in his first tenure. A group of politicians who care not about the people are already after 2027. They're already after the election of Tinubu, and they belong to the opposition party. You can see the rascality, the lawlessness of the Nigerian politician. This is so unfortunate. Let every Nigerian rise up and say no to PDP G5 and say no. We will not agree to this endorsement, to this campaign for 2027 when the politicians are not up to 1 year in office. Share this video and subscribe to this channel.